Hello, and a very warm welcome to our video and webinar on learning the fuzzy cognitive mapping method. This video is just about what this course is about, so it's meant as an introduction and a short overview. Now, make my picture smaller, and then we can continue. So who are we? This is me, Diana Rakeen. I'm Associate Professor for Climate Change and Urban Inequality. So I work on the interface of climate change governance, mostly in urban areas and with a focus on justice and equity. I work at the University of Twente in the Department of Urban and Regional Planning and Geoinformation Management, together with Rachel Keaton, who is specializing in contemporary urbanization processes in Africa, including aspects of social and environmental justice. She has long worked on new towns and has worked across various countries in Africa. So we both will introduce you to various aspects of FCMs. And as you see here, we also have a number of additional, let's say, expertise or backgrounds. For me, I usually work on method development for impact and adaptation assessments, also a lot on social vulnerability and climate change migration. I have about 10 years of expertise in applying and testing and developing fuzzy cognitive mapping, having been first introduced to it in relation to scarce resources in south of France, but I also work with questionnaires, interviews, statistics, as well as geographic information systems. I am a social geographer by training, so by nature or by training would say, I am used to work on the interface of social and natural sciences and qualitative and quantitative methods. And Rachel also works on feminist and intersectional research approaches and their introduction or integration in traditional methods. And as I have said, Rachel is here kind of the expert in African urbanism and urbanization processes, and Rachel is an architect by training. So that's a little bit of a background to us, and now what this course is about. So the main aims of the course are learning to apply the fuzzy cognitive mapping method. This means that you learn how FCMs are used in the Habitable project and what it contributes to the project. You will also learn about the instruments and tools that we have prepared. So interview sheets, questionnaires, and aspects like that. And we have added a few practical considerations of being in the field, in particular in relation to conducting FCMs, but also other social science related research particularities. We have structured the course in 4 parts that are entitled Getting Started, Fuzzy Cognitive Mapping, Data Collection and Protocol, Practical Considerations in the Field, and a conclusion section. In Getting Started, you will see this video just now, and then a short video of what fuzzy cognitive mapping is. Then in the second part on data collection and protocols, you will hear about drawing an FCM, some examples, practice drawing a fuzzy cognitive map, FCM interview protocol, participant information sheet, and informed consent sheet. And in this section entitled Practical Consideration, you will hear about common FCM challenges, about ethical issues and safety concerns, And in the conclusion section, we will summarize with knowledge checks and will provide additional resources. So with that, I would say, let's get started, and you can move to the next video of what is fuzzy cognitive mapping about. I wish you a pleasant and efficient learning experience.